The importance of strong internal communication within the companies is increasing as it is the foremost essential for a successful business. The global pandemic situation has resulted in the scattering of the workforce and promoted remote work. This made most organizations use new communication tools and strategies to reach their employees and team members with vital business information during these extraordinary situations. With the prevailing situation, it is clear that employees and organizations will continue working remotely away from the traditional office space in the coming months. Under these conditions, organizations need to engage employees to create a culture, share critical information and instill purpose for better internal communication within the company. Clear internal communication strategy is essential within the organization to keep the employees informed and engaged about the crucial updates and data on the company's activities and improve the overall work process, ultimately leading to success. Tips to improve business communication in 2021. A strong internal communication strategy can have a substantial impact on the employees immediately and encourages them to work with greater motivation. However, with most companies working remotely, managing internal communications may sometimes be challenging. Therefore, companies need to look into certain elements to improve their internal communication to ensure maximum productivity. The following are few tips to improve internal communication within the organization in 2021. Use the right communication channels. Selecting the right communication channel is one of the key factors of enhancing the overall internal communication process. With a wide number of channels available, choose the best one that suits your company needs. Before choosing the right channels, it is essential to consider how the message is transmitted. Provide the choice of various channels to the employees and choose the one that most people in the organization prefer and provide employee apps for a personalized experience. Empower client communication. The pandemic situation has led most businesses to shift into e-commerce. With remote communication, customers also learn the benefits of online shopping. Online communication is allowing organizations to boost up their sales. Social media and other sales funnel tools have become great channels for customers to post questions online before purchasing anything or posting queries on any service. Therefore, businesses can empower client communication through email, video calls, social media platforms, and other channels to boost sales. Stick to a schedule. Regular scheduling of employee meetings is vital to maintain strong internal communication. Managers need to ensure they regularly connect with employees to pass on critical information and keep checking on the work progress. Therefore, maintaining a schedule for regular connection with employees is crucial for organizations, especially during remote working conditions, to maintain consistency and transparency within the flow of information within the company. Make goals public. Ensuring that the employees are fully aware of the bigger picture of the organizational goals is key to improving internal communication within the organization. Staff needs to understand your company's vision so that they can engage and put their efforts to fit into it. Employees need to understand the core value and the purpose of the company in order to be motivated to drive the best results. Keep it simple. Organizations need to make sure that employees are not overloaded with information as a part of their internal communication process. The messages need to carefully condensed and curated, making sure only necessary information is sent to them. The communication needs to be simple and on point and sent to relevant people to connect with them at an individual level. Therefore, organizations need to follow the practice of sending the right information to the right people at the right time to maintain their internal communication accurately. Conclusion. A well-planned internal communication strategy enables an organization to overcome economic uncertainty and enhance the remote working process. Therefore, organizations need to consider important factors such as reaching every employee regularly and update them with critical information to keep them engaged and motivated and improve their performance. Organizations need to maintain internal communication in an organized manner to ensure to maximize the overall productivity, which ultimately leads them towards success. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.